Wednesday night meet. Miguel, what's up? Say what's up to the camera. Jacob brought the trucks out. Miguel got piano right here. We're at a local Wednesday night meet. Check out some of these vehicles here. Pit. Give you guys a closer look. Bikes right here. And it's kind of early. Well, for this meet, it's a little bit after 8 o'clock. But yeah, we're out here. I don't have my gimbal, so forgive me if this video is shaky at all. You guys saw his YouTube. Gets LEDs on his channel. LED headlights. Sounds really, really good. Said he's got 2 more of these at home.
I work for A&M right now.
Bobo, Miguel.
I'll be ice cream.
Beep, beep. On these hot summer nights, right, Miguel? Rocky Road Ice Cream. What is that place called? Marble Slab?
Marble slabs. Marble slabs on the street.
And your truck is clean, Miguel. Man, mine is melting fast. Alright guys, it is a few days since I filmed that meet video. Right now it's about a little before 6 a.m. on Sunday morning. Gonna replace these hood struts. Trying to get the camera set up, but on this gimbal I couldn't get it set up how I wanted. But part number on this is E4578. Pretty much what I'm gonna do is replace the hood struts for stronger ones compared to these factory ones. Cow hoods are a little heavier. This is a SVT cow. So I'm gonna swap these out real quick and then I'm gonna get on the road. We're gonna head down to Sauls Performance. My Fore fuel system came in a little earlier this week and he went ahead and ordered the ID injectors and the remaining fuel parts that we needed to complete this fuel system. So I'm gonna swap those out with heavier duty ones so that doesn't give him any problems while he's working on the truck. So I'll get back to you guys once we get done. Got those on there. There's a little comparison as far as the thickness between the two. I'm not really sure this camera serves justice or not, but that is about how thick they are. I'm gonna go ahead and get this truck pulled out. We got like a 2-hour drive, a little over 2 hours to Alvin, Texas, and I gotta do the fun thing of moving the trucks out of the way. Little Red's behind me, and then the Harley behind that. So is a crappy thing you have to do when you have too many vehicles, and that's because the silver one isn't here right now. Wide in the driveway, but I wish I could extend it. It's 6 a.m. in the morning, and I'm still waiting on my buddy Aaron to get here, so I'll pull that one in and wait for him to get here. Alright, pumping some 93, and really not sure how much I'm gonna pump because I don't want to put too much gas as Sauls gonna drop the tank when he's working on pumps and stuff, installing his new fuel system. So thinking about 10 gallons. I got about a quarter in it, and that should make me down to Alvin, Texas. Well, like I said, I pumped 10 gallons, and that should get me down there. I had about a quarter already in it, and if it gets too low, I'll go ahead and add fuel right there before his house. It's like about 2 hours, 15 minutes, somewhere around that range, time frame. My buddy Aaron is over there. He's fueling up as well. Get ready to get on this road. So, of course, in John's fashion, I forgot the keys to the diesel right here in the passenger seat with me. So I had to turn around. Good thing I wasn't too far. I was at the gas station when I realized it. So I had to turn around, go back home, drop those off, and now I'm currently playing catch up to my buddy Aaron. But I'm gonna sit back, cruise, got a nice little drive. I will see y'all guys at Sauls Performance. Back at home, safe and sound. Big shout out to the homie Aaron for riding up there with me to drop the truck off. Got home, the homie Blake Maldonado with Maldonado Detailing came by the house while I was gone and ceramic coated the wheels. Go ahead and let y'all check them out as best as I can with one hand. Yeah, got these things all ceramic coated. Things are really glossy. They look great. It will eventually be going on, and we have decided that those will be going on the black truck on Betty. So stay tuned for future videos for those. Back to Betty, the Black Lightning, my truck. The last time that truck was at Sauls Performance, it was on the dyno. It made 652 horsepower, and we tapped out the fuel system. Injectors were at 102%. I had other injectors. Sal said he didn't want to band-aid anything, and we agreed that we would go with the full Fore fuel system. and you know, my dad ended up passing. Year anniversary of that was actually yesterday, August the 2nd. During that time, my wife's redlining back there, spun a rod bearing, rebuilt that one, decided to do a Fore fuel system on that one as well, and here we are today. Finally dropped the truck off, and we'll be getting a full system. And not only that, it will be finally on E85. The truck's always been on pump gas, so we will be having, you know, it run on corn, flex fuel. It will be ran on both. I'm not gonna just stay with E85. I will try to as much as I can, but I'm not like some people, like my wife over there, who is strictly 85, or at least I'm not yet. So truck's down there. David told me that it was still making power when it tapped out the injectors, so it should make quite a bit more power from the last time I was there. He said his guess is around 730-ish horsepower to the wheels. Drop a comment down below your guess, what you think it'll make once we do the fuel system and the 85. Other than that, man, I think that is about it. I think I covered just about everything. A nice little trip down there. Truck drove great as always. Yeah, that's all I have for you guys, man. If you ain't already, like I said, subscribe for your boy. Share this video with your friends if you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Until next time, guys, we'll see ya. Peace.